Okay, hello, welcome friends, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you got a chance to check out my other videos. If you like it, if you like the material, if you like the content, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share. Today I got something that interesting. I worked on it for a client that I had. This is not the sheet because I'm just using it as for demonstration purposes, but you can make this fit to any sheet that you might have that you might need this. Let's say you have something and it's imperative that certain cells get data in it, and you want to make a reminder for people to input the data in there. Okay, so in this case, see this one says please add the required data, and then it has the date. This is yesterday. And this one says, please add the required data, and this is yesterday. So it's at the same time, it's giving you like a little timestamp. It won't change until you. So let's say, as soon as you wipe out data in there, it's gonna give you. It'll give you the required comment. Okay. As soon as you and then it will stay there until you input data. So let's input data. There, gone, 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 gone. See, the comments all of a sudden just delete, go away. There it is. See, gone. The cell's back to normal, and the comment disappeared. So if you find this interesting, just stick around, and we'll work on it. I'll show you how to do it, so you can have it for yourself, and make it fit for your own needs. Okay, so let me get this ready here. All right, and I'm gonna bring this up. The module is already here. It's named auto commentator. It's 2 subroutines and 1 click event. So we're gonna start. We're gonna say public sub my auto That's, you can name this, like I said before, any name you want. We're going to declare variables. C as range. C as range. Then range as range. And we're going to set range equals range. And that's going to be C3 and D7. And you can make that, you can expand it as big as you want, and as as many columns or rows as you want. You can change it there. Okay, now we can go and let's say, okay, so we're going to start off with a for loop for each C in range. A little bit of error handling on error. Resume next. Okay, so if C dot value equals 0, then C dot add comments. IntelliSense is already telling me. And then this is my message. Please add the required data. And comment there. And then I'm going to do a join. And then I'm going to put date. And keep in mind here in this, you can put any message you want. Give some room there. You can type in any message you want there. Okay, so now, because I want it to be active when somebody clicks on it. So I'm going to say active cell dot comment dot visible equals true. There. See, the IntelliSense is really helps you a lot because it's giving you what the what's part of that. Now I'm going to say C dot comment dot shape because I want it to be the box smaller. Text frame. It's auto sizing it. So if it's a big message and all that, it's always gonna show, but it's not gonna be like a overgrown box. And we're gonna say true. And then we want to put the color in there. So it's an eye catcher. Interior dot color index. And you can make this any color you want. And we're gonna close that if statement and close the loop. Next C. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and write and start on the second photo D. This is the other subroutine that you need for this project. Okay, so we can go ahead and copy these because these are basically the same thing as you use. Paste it. Everything's the same. And we're gonna do a for loop for each. C in range if C dot value is greater than 0, then error, resume, next. And now we're going to say C dot comment, and we wanted to say delete. And we're going to say C dot interior dot color index, and that's going to be 0, which is white. Okay, close that if statement. We're going to close the loop. And that's it. So what we have these two subroutines that work with each other. So in this case here, we're gonna call auto D. As you notice that this is the same as this. So in essence, this works and it calls. So they have the two subroutines work together. This does, and this works together because it's calling it. So that should be there. Okay, so then you go and you double click into the sheet that the material's in, and you click down into workbook. I already did that. And in this case, I selected select change. That means when there's a selection, when something is selected and something is changed, that subroutine is going to start firing. So you don't need buttons or anything like that. See, and the first name is, the first subroutine is my auto com. My auto com. And as soon as something is selected, and now we're going to test it out. Let me see if I can make this bigger for you. So. And here it is. See? That's it. It's gone. It's perfect. And you can by going into this the developer, you can expand that to cover this column or long or whatever, and you can make that message any message you want, and you can change the color. See, this is the auto fitting, so it looks smaller. It's not like a big empty box with the material in it. So now, as soon as you put numbers in here, see, the comment is gone, and everything is just back to normal. So I don't know if you think this is interesting, please leave me a comment. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe and share, and I come back because we'll be working on more videos, and I'll be showing you other things. So I hope if you like this, please come back and just share the videos. Thank you very much.